Hello friends, I am Amit Oswal here, and today I am going to give you an analysis of Bank Nifty. It's going to be a free analysis where you will get free trades whether you take them in futures or options. It is your call. I am going to give you the levels where if you take the level properly with proper stop loss and exit them at proper target, you will get very good ROI and you will get almost sure shot results. Like 7 out of 10 trades will be absolutely successful, like 1:4 kind of ROI, where the risk will be 1 and the reward will be 4. So but then you have to keep your risk around 4 to 5,000 if you are trading in futures, and your in options you can keep it a little lower, but then your return will be proportional to the number of lots that you take in options. But always trade with a stop loss. Be careful, guys. Okay, so let's start. So let's see the Bank Nifty weekly chart first. Okay, let's remove the RSI. I'll remove everything. Okay, so first and foremost, yeah, so this was a demand zone. Actually, this was a demand zone which I had marked before price had shot up. When this only this red candle had formed, that time I had marked this demand zone, and from this, see where the price went: 41,611 to 43,500. So around 2,000 rupees price has shot from this point. Okay, now in the weekly chart, price has moved up from the demand zone already, and we in the monthly chart we are at the top. We are absolutely at the top. Okay, so there is no resistance right now on the top. If price can go up, it can break out from here. Now let's see the daily chart. In the daily chart, by seeing the RSI has come down to 33, and then it is moving up slowly. From the top at around 77, it had come to around 33, and now it is in the between 54, and it is moving up slowly. Okay, as per the zones are considered, so this was, so let's remove this weekly zone for now, for once. Okay, so let me just mark the daily zone. So this can be one zone, which is the demand zone, but since it has been used, we'll mark it as gray. Let's lock it. Let's take it a little bit down. Okay, this is one zone. Lock it, save it. Similarly, let's clone this and use it. And here is another zone, but since it this red red doji head top there. We'll take it on little here. Yeah, this will be our zone. So now what you can see is price. This is one daily zone. Let me save it first. This is one daily demand zone, and this is one daily supply zone. So what price has done is price has shot up from the weekly demand zone, has created a rally pattern, and it has made a demand zone over here, and while coming down price had made a supply zone. So now while going up from the weekly demand zone, price is bouncing to the daily supply zone and coming back to the daily demand zone. Now point is the daily demand zone strong enough to sustain the supply which is coming at the top of the monthly chart? Okay, we are at the top of the monthly chart. Prices of Bank Nifty and Nifty are at an all-time high. So let's see if this demand zone is strong enough to sustain the supply. Otherwise it will break and prices will come slightly down. Now let's see if it comes down. I have marked the 2 hours chart. I have marked a demand zone which I have previously checked in the smaller charts as well. This is one very good level on level pattern which was formed. So what I am expecting is, because prices are at an all-time high in the monthly chart, and the demand zone and the daily supply zone and daily demand zone are very close to each other, maybe chances are that this daily demand zone will break and prices may drop down till here, somewhere between 42,072 and 42,340. But most probably prices will come down till half the level, 42,250 or something like that. If it happens, I will be a buyer over here, and my target would be first, once we enter, we have to see the stop loss. So my stop loss will be somewhere here, 41,990, and then my target will be this daily supply zone will also break that's what I'm expecting. So my target will be somewhere in the daily, in the 2 hours or the daily chart. No, it's better to do in the 2 hours chart itself. So my entry is here, my stop loss is somewhere here, and my exit will be somewhere around this level, 43,000. Once this daily supply zone breaks and prices move towards the top, near the top, I may expect some drawdown. So I will exit around this level, 43,750. Alright guys, I have given you my trade, what I'm going to do in Bank Nifty this coming week. If things go according to the way I'm thinking it will happen, then happy trading and happy new year to you guys. Thank you.